Morning, how are we all doing? Beautiful sunny Sunday morning, 7:30, and just on a little morning walk with the dog. And today we're doing something exciting. So in about an hour I'm going to jump on the Sport Glide and head 60 miles north to meet a guy about a bike. I'm going to meet a guy who's desperate for a Sport Glide. He's got a bike that tickles my fancy, if that sounds correct. He's got a bike that really interests me. So the idea is, he's going to give me some money and his bike, and I'm going to give him the Sport Glide. Not sure how we feel about this. The hat I'm wearing isn't a clue, I'm afraid. It's not a Triumph. The bike that he's got was never on my list of bikes, but I'm getting a really good deal, and the more I research it, the more I think I'm going to love it. It's going to be a perfect bike for the roads around where I live. It's going to be a perfect bike for the colder weather we're about to have, and yeah, why not? Something exciting. So if you're anywhere near as excited as I am, please stick around and we'll go have some fun. Let's go. I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't as good of a deal as it is. I think I'm getting a bloody good deal on this bike that I'm taking part exchange, obviously with some cash my way. And it's a cool, exciting bike, so it's a bit of a no-brainer for me. Another new bike for the channel, another exciting bike to explore. Just trying to make some money whilst having fun, really. Just going to finish my coffee, get suited up, and then hit the road. This day's gonna be just fine. Let's tell what we trust. The memory of years like a street crushed out of our clouds with a hazy smile. Just got to the meeting spot. Fantastic last ride over on the Sport Glide. Went through some beautiful country roads. Here's a Holiday Inn somewhere near Milton Keynes. My guy should be here in a minute. Hopefully all goes well, do the deal, and I'll have a new bike and some money in my pocket.
A few moments later.
Deal is all done. I am proud new owner of an R9T Urban GS 2023. Let's hit the road, go meet Austin, and enjoy this beautiful new bike.
isn't it?
Yeah, that's lovely. I was watching you on the map. You went into Letchworth first.
I took the wrong road. I overtook a Tesla and I was going too fast. I missed the turn.
Yeah.
Mate, she drives really, really nicely.
Really?
Last time I saw these for sale, they were £120 each. Really? Yeah. I've got a bit of Cheshire.
Feel it, don't you? Yeah.
Just finished some coffee. Austin over there on his Scrambler. My dad arrived on his XSI 900. They're waiting for me, they're getting pissed off, so we gotta go. Look at my new bike. R Nine T 2023. Oh my god. Urban GS. This thing is a real beauty. Absolutely flies when you want it to. 6 gears of pure pleasure. What an absolute machine this is. The suspension on this is so squishy compared to the Harley. You'd think a fat cruiser would be a squishy suspension, but honestly this thing feels like I'm riding a cloud compared to it. I've got absolutely zero complaints about that Sport Glide. Nothing wrong with that bike. It was probably the best bike I've ever owned and the most expensive bike I've ever owned. I couldn't turn down a good old deal. Boys are out in full swing today. Sounds good. Does need an exhaust. Corn as well. Woo! What a fun machine. You can feel that it's heavy, but it's like not bad heavy, it's just planted. The weight of the engine is so low down that it just feels so planted. I was a bit nervous of the seat height on this. The suspension's so squishy that you get on it and you can end up flat-footing it. At first it looks really tall, but as soon as you sit on it, that suspension like compresses and yeah, your feet are on the ground. So that's a win. This guy flying. Oh, big grill. Nice. I would love to know how much fuel I've got left. So the only negatives of this bike so far is the dash does not have your gear indicator, so you've got no idea which gear you're in. And it doesn't have a fuel indicator, so it doesn't know how much fuel you've got. It does have rider modes. It's got rain, road and dirt. Probably won't ever need to use any of them. Scrambling, baby. We are scrambling.
What's up guys? BMW R Nine T Urban GS 2023. 108 brake horsepower from the iconic boxer twin engine. An absolute work of art. Let's go for a ride. Thought I'd pull over at this lovely quaint little church with the bike, absolutely peaceful. I thought I'd have a little chat about this bike because it is genuinely 100% pure bliss riding this machine. I've never rode anything like it before. It's just pure luxury. It's insane. It's insane how premium it feels to ride. You really do feel like James Bond on this machine. You want to listen to some jazz and sit and drink a martini somewhere in a bar. Fantastic machine. You two just rode past me. I literally pulled up and you drove past. And I knew you weren't going to answer, so I called Brad.
Was it Henry Cole, yeah. No, I think need longer hair for Henry Cole than that. He was in, where was he? Australia on telly this week.
Take a selfie, make Austin jealous.
Hang on.
No, we're going to get in there, get in there.
There you go. Just tell him we're in Brussels. How come you're here?
I'm in the middle of like doing a video on my bike, like a little film session on my bike.
Right.
Hey guys, what's up? So I planned to do a little chat with you when I got to the coffee shop on the R9 T, but to my surprise, I saw my uncle Brad and my dad ride past. As soon as I pull up, they rode past on their motorbike. So quickly gave them a call to see where they were going, and they ended up turning around and joining me for coffee. Yeah, kind of changed my plans. I was supposed to have a nice little chat to the camera about the bike over coffee, but they arrived. So nice surprise. But now we're here, back home, after a lovely morning riding the R9 T. There's a build I found. Pier City Customs did the build. I'm going to show you a picture of it right now. So this is how I want to take the R9 T. Knobbly tyres, brown leather seat, tail tidy, exhaust, some bar and mirrors, different mudguard. Yeah, you can just make these bikes absolutely fantastic after customising. It's screaming out for an exhaust, screaming out for a nice air filter because they're air cooled. So yeah, that's the story of how I'm riding an R9 T right now. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it and you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe guys, peace.